everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Krystal. If you're new, I'm a Korean girl who currently lives in Chicago and makes videos about beauty and lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you my updated hair care routine. Some of you have been asking about my hair care routine, and I've always kind of pointed you guys to my old videos, but I thought it'd be good to do an update and really show you guys how I take care of my damaged hair. Right now my hair is a little dry, as you can see in the before clips in the beginning. It was okay until my hair was around this length, but as it grew longer, it started becoming more dry, and at some point I felt okay, now is the time. I really need to take care of my hair. I've been slacking a little bit, so earlier I went to TJ Maxx, I got some hair masks, and there are new products that I want to show you guys. I'll be sharing some tips on how I wash my hair, how I dry my hair, and also introduce some of the products that I use to keep my hair long and healthy. You'll actually be able to see the before and after in the video as well. And just an FYI, I'm not a hair professional. This is based on my personal experience, and I just like to experiment with different products and routines. So I'll just be sharing with you guys what I've been doing and what I plan to do moving forward to recover my hair from damage and to keep it shiny. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I don't know how clearly you can see from the camera, but it's really dry. I really think it's the length. It's really hard to keep your hair long and healthy, because when your hair is shorter, the nutrition that you either consume or apply it directly to your hair, they get absorbed to your hair and get evenly distributed. But once it grows longer, it requires more nutrient, more hydration, and it requires more of everything. Hopefully by the end of the video, I'll have much better hair. So let's move to the bathroom. I'll show you guys some of the products that I'll be using today. This is a shampoo that I use. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I don't think it's necessary for you guys to use really nice shampoos. I would rather invest in my treatment or hair masks. So this one is decent. It's pretty hydrating. It's not the best, but it's affordable and it washes well. Here's my treatment. This is Korean. This works much better than this treatment from the same brand as my shampoo, Chi. My hair actually became smoother after using this, so I recommend this product. As far as I know, hair conditioners basically coat your hair. So they usually have silicone, and they just temporarily make your hair feel and look glossy. But you'll notice after a day or two, they'll fade, and in the long run, it doesn't really make your hair shiny or smooth. That's why I started using treatment or hair masks instead of the conditioner. I usually wash my hair every other day, so not every day, and I've always been using this treatment for every single wash, but this is not enough for my hair right now. It doesn't give me enough nutrition, so I'm gonna add a hair mask to the routine. And you don't need to use this specific product, but I think any type of really nourishing hair mask should work. I'm gonna use this maybe once or twice a week with the shampoo, and then for the remaining days, I'm gonna use the treatment instead of the mask. One big mistake that I've been making, my hair damage might have stemmed from it, is ta-da! I didn't have a shower cap before, so I just put treatment on my hair. I was too lazy and impatient to wait, so I would just put this on my hair, quickly wash my body, and just rinse it off. And in the process of washing my body, a lot of it actually got rinsed off because of the water. Maybe that's why the treatment didn't actually get absorbed into my hair well enough, and maybe that led to the hair damage. So I thought it'd be a good idea to get this shower cap. It's reusable, so I'm actually going to use this from now on, so I can really get all the hair benefits and effects to the fullest. Another change I've made to my routine, I always use my hair treatment before shampooing my hair. If you use your hair treatment first, that kind of helps untangle your hair and make it soft. You can just shampoo very easily and thoroughly. So before moving into the actual washing, I'm gonna untangle my hair with this cute heart brush. And as you can see, there's not much to untangle in my hair, so it's not that my hair is super damaged it's more like it doesn't look healthy enough. So I'm really looking forward to transforming it into a more shiny hair. And to do that, I really think I need like strong hair masks. This hopefully will be one of them. And I also recommend the Coco and Eve hair mask. I've made a video about it in the past. That hair mask was really nice. Like, it's not the cheapest, but like I remember it really making my hair shiny, at least for the duration of the use. I recommend that product as well. So let me get out of the bathtub now and actually wash my hair. Okay, I'm gonna have to put my camera like this. I always wash my hair in lukewarm water, so not too hot and not too cold. You don't want all the water dripping from your hair, so make sure to like squeeze the water out. After thoroughly damping my hair, I'm going to apply this hair mask. I'm gonna start from the ends because my ends are the driest and the most damaged. I'm not going to apply this to my scalp because I don't want my scalp getting oily or greasy. So I'm just going to focus on applying this on all the layers of my hair.
A few moments later.
My hair's still damp. Now I need to dry it. You know, heat damages your hair. So I'm gonna blow dry my roots and my scalp with hot air, but like cool to medium air for the rest of my hair. Some of you ask me what I use for my hair dryer. It's nothing fancy or expensive. It's just Infinity Pro by Conair. I know there's better hair dryers like Dyson's hair dryer I have in Korea at my home. It dries much faster. Once my hair is still sort of damp but not like dripping, I'm gonna use the heat protectant mist. I'm using this because the heat from the hair dryer, as I've said, can also be damaging. And I'm gonna use this spray again before flattening or like ironing my hair. I think my hair is completely dry, so I'm just brushing it before styling. It's definitely less dry than before. So before moving any further, I'm gonna use the heat protectant spray once more so I can straighten my hair. I'm not gonna do any other fancy styling because it's actually time for bed. So I'm just gonna straighten my hair and go to bed so that like it can stay flat the next morning. I'm gonna apply some hair oil. This is Biosilk from Silk Therapy. I didn't do a proper styling, but this is how it looks. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you again in the next video.